Hi, today we're doing a vlog, so this is gonna be something different. We're going to the beach, so this should be a fun adventure. So currently at McDonald's, the lady is taking like a full 10 minutes to get our order in. Not loving it. So 10 hours later, where's your hash brown? Not in the car. Let's just drink.
Look at all the grease that's in a hash brown. It's gross.
Not worth it. So update, we're not getting anywhere. Okay, so a full 3 hours later, we've arrived at Twin Lakes Beach. We're going, it's happening. We're on our way. We're at the beach. Whoa.
Took us like what? Like an hour longer than it was supposed to. Nothing better than a beach day.
I can't think of anything better. Okay, so we just took a lot of pictures that I will.
Them here.
She goes with me to a blossom room.
Anyway, so now we're eating at Crow's Nest. It's really cute. A go-to always pina colada.
I'm so happy about it.
Becca got a huge plate of nachos.
We're sharing them, okay? Thank you very much.
Walking back to the car, I don't know where it is.
I do.
Becca says she does, so that's not that promising actually.
That's fine.
So we had to switch outfits
Stop.
because Becca sneezed on my shirt.
Stop.
Don't you love the moment you walk into a hotel? How luxurious is this? Are you kidding me? Yeah. Aren't these not supposed to have seats?
They're seatless.
Then what's that? Okay. Anyway, we're just waiting for Annabelle, our favorite person ever, to arrive. Oh god.
Oh, that's not.
Okay guys, I'm getting really excited to show you this beautiful tropical little area.
Luxury at its absolute finest.
I don't know what more you would want. The only complaint I would have is that honestly, the amount of rules is bigger than the amount of hot tub.
I'm gonna have to agree with you on that one.
Okay, Annabelle's here. She made it. Hi. So we just got dinner and it was kind of scary a little bit. Yeah,
Less than
I've had a lot better.
Yeah.
Day one's coming to a close. Becca's kind of a mess. She's having a rough night. But we're really excited for day two.
Yeah.
So Becca's still crying. Okay. We're just getting breakfast right now. It's really pretty gross. So far, the only promising thing I think I have is coffee. What? Okay. Anyway, basically, we just got to the beach, and it is raining. So that's probably the least thing that we wanted. So we just decided we're gonna go get coffee. So we've made it to a cafe, and we got honey lavender latte. Do you want to go get one? Guys, remember when I fell coming up the stairs? Yeah. So we got back from the cafe, and now we're taking pictures in this cute little village. So far, not good. When we do get some good ones, I'll insert them right here.
I'm picking up good vibrations. She's giving me the excitations.
So we're at a restaurant. So this is gonna sum up the vlog. Bye. Becca, say bye.